in the wires, we're the ghost. Ego's king, we rule the host. Masks on screens, we wear them proud. Silent hands inside the cloud. Flicker in the firewall glow. Name in red on a watch list road. Every trace that they think they own, we erase, turn it all to smoke. Hack the world, that's the dream. Pull the thread of the global scene. One small key, whole sky screams. Hack the world, the final scheme. Hack the world, feel it bend. Every closed gate starts to rend. From the core to the crack machine. Hack the world, the final scheme. Reach the system, break the code. Watch the virus overload. Black hood up, eyes run cold. Turn the silver into mold. 10 fake memes on a single wire. One small spark, whole grid on fire. Who owns what when the locks all fail? Who holds power when we lift the veil? Heartbeat sync with the scroll. Cursor dancing on the soul. All their walls built tall and proud. We just walk straight through the crowd. Hack the world, that's the dream. Pull the thread of the global scene. One small key, whole sky screams. Hack the world, the final scheme. Hack the world, feel it bend. Every closed gate starts to rend. From the core to the crack machine. Hack the world, the final scheme. Are you in or out tonight? Ride the edge.
Howdy, howdy, howdy. I made that, Panda. Thank you. No, actually, I have followed him, but there are two types of. Idor, what's up, bro? So I have two accounts. One is on my phone, and one is on basically this censored hacker. So you will see, like, actually the phone one I use a lot, and like the recommendations I get and stuff. That's the reason, like, that one I don't use. The only account, the censored hacker, mostly I use is for like streaming. I hardly use for watching YouTube. You guys can hear me though, right? Okay, yeah. Mic is on. Yeah, so like censored hacker one is mostly for streaming. It's not for like doing stuff. I am bad with names, bro. It just will take me time. I see him couple of times, then I will remember. I will see him couple of times, then only I will remember. That's my problem. It takes time. It takes time to remember people's name. It's okay. He was chill about it, lads. He was chill about it. It's fine. But yo, the good part is things are going well for us then. It was Panda Hackersmith, the Tyler guy, right? Thank you, Idor. Bye. Have a good one. Thank you so much for joining me. But it was fun. Like, so things are going well. Yeah. Hack smarter. Yeah, hack smarter, I said. Did I say Hackersmith? Hack smarter. Things are going bad. Why? Oh, yeah, kind of here too. Yeah. Why, Ashish? How is that diploma thing going? You mentioned about it, like, or the degree thing. Who is. There was a Smith guy too on YouTube. I don't remember what his name is. Hack smarter is there. Oh, Hacksmith, this guy, the one who builds Iron Man suits and stuff. Yeah, I keep forgetting. I keep jumbling up all the names. My bad, lads. My bad. My apologies. Hack smarter, yeah. Yeah, that's Hacksmith. The other one is Hacksmarter. The other one is IPSec. What is Ben's name on YouTube? Is it Ben or is it something else? Namasek? Nahama. Namasek. Okay. I keep thinking it's his name is Ben, like on YouTube too. Yeah, yeah, 100%. 100%. Dude, that's the thing. I keep thinking it's his name is Ben on that. Nahamasek. Oh, Nama. Okay. Okay. That's fine. With time, I'll get it. My uncle is an experienced CA at Reliance. He told everyone that ये sock walk कुछ नहीं होता. Dude, it's stupid. Like, if he is like that CA, like, I think the accountants are the first one who will get fucked. Yes, doing some coding now. Yeah, like these type of uncles are the worst. No, these type of uncles are like the least. That's a big reason to come to Canada, so you can stay away from your relatives, or just go to a different country, or just send them to Pakistan. Probably, you let them enjoy life. These are those type of uncles are the worst one, man. Like they are like never want to come help you when you are going through a hard time. They never want to come help. But if you are actually like struggling and want to, they are always like fucking like I don't even know if they have a dick. They are actually like the biggest Janani band. Yeah, dude. Like it's better to just get like just actually swear at them. Like if you have once you have a good job, once you are settled in life, Ashish, swear at them, cut all the ties, man. Those type of relatives never are helpful. They never are helpful. The worst, man. But don't worry, keep your head down and just work, man. Work will yeah, Andi Vandi Shandi of those guys, yeah. Have you seen this guy? Uh Harsha, oh, that's his name. Okay, cool. So if you look at his UPSC one, right? He says the same thing. He says the same thing. His UPSC one, like relative things, is the same thing. Bro, at least we'll win that war, and it will be a game over for like. I think CA job will be cooked much earlier because that's some generic accounting. Oh yeah, 100%. That's true. CA is like way faster getting cooked. So Andi Mandi Chandi means like panda is a Hindi thing in which like we are just basically saying something really bad, and it's just one of the ways to like just swear at them basically. If Ashish, if that happens, right, make them talk to me. If you think like that's the case, tell them they will talk to me. Talk to me. Just feel free to like tell them like, hey, talk to this guy. Yeah, be against the bad people. That's for sure. Don't worry, Ashish. We'll chat more. Yeah, it's good to ignore, man. It's good to ignore. But if it worst comes to worst, if you have somebody who you want like support from who can talk to your parents, I'm there, man. I'm there. I'm there to help. That's rough. 3 years. That's big. It's crazy. It is. It is. Yeah, dude. We need to find something for you. Your parents, I will love to talk to them for a different reason. Panda, I did. So it's like Andi Mandi Shandi is basically you are giving like swearing at them. There's this one way of swearing at them. Okay, I won't wrench. Today I won't, but you have to explain to Panda. Your other question. This was the last question. Andi Vandi Shandi. What was the other one? The intro I mentioned. What was the other question? Oh, can I hack wrench? I don't want to. I'll just talk to his parents. No need to hack. More damage, more emotional damage. Just talk to his parents. Pretty much, I did say that. Pretty much, I said that. Okay, um, let's get started with our coding. Back to our framework for DP. We completed this much. Let's go back to the framework of DP problems. Okay. And sorry, I have to push to get things done because my neck is a bit like I have been having some body issues. I need to get back into shape. You guys can see there's something on my neck. It's for heating because my neck has been hurting a lot. Yep, yep, he has been. There is bhaichara, bro. That is the whole bhaichara. Eeny, meeny, miny. Oh, yeah. Yep, yep, yep. That's actually a good way. Andi Vandi Shandi is more like eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Yeah, yeah, heat pack is good. It's good. Definitely is good. It's not super hot, it's good. Okay. So with that being said, let's get going, lads. For the framework of DP problems, you should have one done some. Oh, Marfa like the song. I should have like I'll send him like the hacker song maybe. But English, what would be an English version, adult version of that then? Okay, let's get going. That you are already 12 minutes in. Okay, yeah, yeah. Interview. There is a couple of questions I have. I will want to do an interview with him for sure. Okay, let's get going. Let's on a framework of dynamic programming problems, right? So now that we understand that basics of dynamic programming and how to spot when dynamic programming is applicable to a problem, we have reached the most important part, actually solving the problem. In this section, we are going to talk about a framework for solving dynamic programming problems. This framework is applicable to nearly every DP problem and provides a clear step-by-step approach of developing DP algorithms. For this article explanation, we are going to use the problem climbing stairs as an example, which we did, right? With a top-down recursive implementation. Take a moment to read this. Before we start, we need to first define the term state. First, let's read this problem. We already solved this. So we have you're climbing a staircase with n steps to reach the top, right? Each step you can either climb one or two steps. If how many distinct ways can you climb to the top? So basically, if we are given a staircase, let's say this is step one, two, three, 4. This is the top, right? How many ways can we reach? We can go one, that's one way. Then we can directly go to, from one, we can go to two, three, and four because we can take one or two steps. Then we can go from one to three to four, another third way. So there are many ways. How many ways are possible, right? So before we start, we need to first define the term state. In DP problem, a state is a set of variables that can be sufficiently describe a scenario. These variables are called state variables and we only care about relevant ones. For example, to describe every scenario in climbing stairs, there is only one relevant state variable, the current state we are on. We can denote that by I. So let's say which staircase we are on, that is denoted by I. That means we are describing the state of being on the sixth step or third step. Every unique I represents a unique state. So let's go in the framework. Settle game or what's up, bro? You might be wondering what relevant means here. Picture this problem in real life. You are on a set of stairs and you want to know how many ways there are to climb that 10th step. We are definitely interested in what step you are currently standing on. However, we aren't interested in what color your socks are. So, what is relevance, right? Caring about what finding what we should care about. So, to solve the DP, we need to combine three things: a function or a data structure that will contain the answer of problem for every given state. So, basically, what they mean here by that is, if you want to find what will be how many ways to reach 4, let's find first how many ways to reach 1, how many ways to reach 2, how many ways to reach 3, because then you can find how many ways to reach 4, right? Compute the answer problem for every given state, every given step. For climbing stairs, let's say we have a function dp where dpi returns the number of ways to climb to ith step. So for first step, how many possible ways? Solving the original problem would be as easy as return dpn. What do you mean increase or decrease? Yeah. No. Settle gamer, I said hi, bro. I always see you. Don't worry. You my homie, bro. How did we decide on the design of the function? The problem is asking how many distinct ways can you climb to the top? And Wrench, I don't know if you are saying increase or decrease like in the climbing way. So even if you say, hey, 4, it would be easy to calculate that, but also you can calculate in the decreasing way. So if you are at 4, how many possible ways to reach 3 or 2? How many possible ways to reach 3 is how many possible ways to reach 2 and 1. So it is like kind of that way. So we decide that function will represent how many distinct ways. Yeah, both will work. That's the whole point where DP is. Any dynamic programming problem they mentioned, right? In the first case was either you go bottoms up or top down. Both works. It's just whichever one you want to pick. So both will work. Depending on certain cases, one is better than other and faster than other. Literally the original problem, but generalized for a given state. A recurrence relation. So this is like the intermediate step, right? A recurrence, a relation to transition between states. So intermediate step where, let's say, if I'm going from step 2 to 3 or 2 to 4, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, like that intermediate step when I'm climbing. A recurrence relation is an equation that relates different states with each other. Let's say that we needed to find how many ways we can climb to the 30th stair. Well, the problem states that we are allowed to take either 1 or 2 steps at a time. Logically, that means to climb the 30th stair, we arrived either at 28th or 29th stair, right? So if I'm at 4, either I have to be at, if I reached at 4, right? That means, and I can take only 1 or 2 steps. So that means either before this I was at 2 or 3. And then we calculate like 28 or 29. So then we calculate how many ways to reach 28 and then how many ways to reach 29. So DPI is how many ways to reach 29 plus DP30 is 29 and 28. And the base cases, so our base case would be this when you reach at 1, because there is only one way to reach 1. So you need three things. Just like recursion, right? You need three things with DP. First, if you don't know, that's fine, right? One, you can always go with like base case, easy to find. Intermediate step, and the state, defining what is the state, basically the DP function value. Finding the base case is often the easiest part of solving the problem, right? And just involves everybody. Since you started saying that, I don't ignore people. I'm like, I have ADHD, bro. When coming up with the base case cases, ask yourself, what state can I find the answer to without using dynamic programming? That's actually a good one. So, what is a base case where you don't need dynamic programming? You already know the answer. This is where things stop. In this case, we can reason that there is only one way to climb to first tier, and just by taking one step. Yep. That's how it is. Do you notice something missing from the code? We haven't memoized it yet. So we got how to reach, but we need to memorize to make it this thing state. We need to memorize this thing. We need like this DP, the function, to be memorized. So we can either use hash map or an array. Yes. We haven't memorized anything. So basically what they're saying in this case now, let me cancel this, cancel this, cancel this, cancel this, cancel this, cancel this. Go on. Yep, I do actually. I even have my medicines actually. I just don't like taking them. So from 4, if I reach 3, right? Now I have to find how many ways to reach 3. Is If I'm at 4, have to find ways to reach 3 and 2, right? Now I'm at 3, I have to find ways to 2 and 1. So the thing is, I have to memorize. If I'm memorized how many ways to reach 2 already or how many ways to reach 1, I don't have to calculate them. And that's where DP will make the big thing. The code above has a time of complexity 2 raised to power n because all calls create 2 more calls, right? So there will be a lot of time. What we do is using, let's say, a hash map, we memorize. Once we figure out what is for DPI and it, for any number, we will memorize it and it will help us reach ON. I think I'll just give you guys the PDF for this, and this is how it is. DP1 index, you're allowed to take either 1 or 2 steps. That means you can arrive at third step from either first or second step. We calculate the number of ways to get to fourth stair. That's like 2 plus 3, then same, ditto. I think that's good enough. We have done house robber one. I think I can send you if you guys need information about this. Why will I get banned from? Why would I get banned from there? Don't do that, bro. You need a bunch of time those editorials. I think it's a loss for you as well. Okay, let's solve this problem. No, don't need the solution. Or actually, can I? So, nth Fibonacci number description. Let's look at this problem. Fibonacci sequences Tn is defined as T0 is this. So these are our base cases. This is our intermediate one. And we have to find given n, return the value Tn. Yeah, from Fibonacci's tree. Okay. Fibonacci is same. Fibonacci is similar, right? For example, we have this function T, n is defined as T n minus 1 Let me send you guys the link too. N minus 2 plus n minus 3. Pretty simple to do, right? Let's get this done out of the way. So if we have I will just put a hash map here. Hmap I to, let's say, n on 0, not even 0, 1, 2, 3 till n. So we are here, right? If n equals to, so we have value t0, 1 and 2, return 0, else if n 1 or equals to 2, return 1, right? What is our intermediate step? Hmap of 3 or whatever I is hmap I minus 1, hmap I minus 2, hmap I minus 3. Open code? No, I haven't tried that. What is it? Or is it open claw, open code? Oh, I have to put hmaps. Oh, no. Yo, let's do that on Friday night maybe if you guys are down. I would love to do that. Don't need this anymore then. Okay, that's good to know. Is it like same as like Gemini, CLI and stuff? Got it. For N4, okay, cool. Cool, beats 100%. Nice, done. Okay, let me explain to you guys what I did just in case if you guys didn't catch it. Huh? Yeah, basically with this, right? I actually did was putting with 1, 2 and stuff, and I was like, this is actually much neater code. I like this one. This is a little bit smarter and like less, much neater. So basically, if value is 0, 1, 2, it will return hmap 3, right? Because I'm checking if it's less than 3. If not, if it's more than 3 or anything, keeps going and calculating, right? We already have our base cases. We don't need to do. We are going from like um, bottom up, right? So we don't need a technically a base case is already defined here. We are just going up and up and up. Another way for doing this would be like, let's say if I defined another problem, another function that will be called taking n minus 1 and stuff, n another value, and then keep going till it reaches base case or DP, right? Which is one way, but top down is much better in this case, in my opinion. Top to bottom. Sorry, bottom to top. Like, let's see these cases. What is this? Fibonacci 0, this. Yeah, okay. Oh, it's defining a list and then saying this. So if the guy just removes this would be better. Right? Like, this is unnecessary. And this is nice. Using cache. And it's just doing definition. That's good. That's some good code. That's some like high level code I would like to write. Okay, good. We did one problem for the day. That's good. That's neat. How many problems I'm at? Yeah, recursion. Josh, welcome back, homie. Yeah, no, 100%. See you. See you when I see you. Twerk. Should I have like a emoji for twerk? Like, if anybody do twerk, it should like go like this. Do you want this one? The first word is twerk. He's your brother, man. This is crazy. I should, maybe I will add that. Maybe I will add that. I'll add that. For some way I will add that. Don't worry. I got you. What this stream is becoming, it was just for coding and hacking. What this has become, I don't understand. Yeah, he's definitely your brother from another mother. That's for sure. Oh boy. So let's see. Let's do another problem. I wanted to see how many things I have done so far on my profile. Rank is pretty bad. 71. Need to make this more greener. So delete and earn. You are given an integer array nums. You want to maximize the number of points you get by performing the following operations or any operation any number of times. Pick any n nums I. Or let me send you guys this. Probably you guys want this. How many times the last one was asked, like the one we did just today? Google 4 times. So it's not asked a lot, but it's like kind of there. What about this one? Okay, this has been asked more and by a lot of even Citadel, Akuna Capital, and big guys. Okay, cool. So let's see this problem, lads. You are given an integer array nums. You want to maximize the number of points you get by performing the following operations any number of times. Pick any nums I, delete it to earn nums I points. Afterwards, you must delete every element equal to nums I minus 1 and every element equal to nums I plus 1. You can earn by applying the above operation. Okay, you can perform the following operation. So delete 4 to earn 4 points. You have to delete 3, then 2 is left. Okay, interesting. Then in this case, you want to earn 3. Okay, interesting problem. So basically, I believe in this case, we are given this. We have A, B, C, D, E, and F. If we delete nums I, we delete nums I, we get those many points. So deleting nums I dpi, we get ni points. We delete it. Okay, let's define our three things. Base case, nums dot length is 0. That should be our base case. Because we are just deleting these, right? Next, a state, we need to get the state value and intermediate. Intermediate step would be and state. A state DP, okay, this one needs to hmm, think. Number of points. Okay, DP by for ith. What is I? The maximum. We need to get the maximum points. Points with this is current points plus number of points by deleting this. So if I, this is where the thing should be, right? Current points. If I delete this, my current points is this, but these two get deleted. Mm, okay. That's actually a great thing to say. Not going to lie, that's a great thing to say. Okay. So we have this array, right? Let's say I take this, then I remove all these. So dp of this for 4. Oh, I can create a list actually. All the available numbers, like maybe like have a set, right? Take the highest one. If I take this, I will have 4 points plus whatever I can get more, right? Plus, let's say another function call. It's a function with the leftover, let's say 2. I'll send that, get whatever points are available for this. And then I take, compare this with, let's say, dp3. That's good, man. You solve this problem? dp3 would be 3 plus, remove all the 4s and 2s. That would be 3 and 3. Okay. This is the right path, right? Probably you also took this path and needs to improve it, more optimize this. Then 2 and then let's say 4. If the array only has these many lefts, I think I like have some solution to it. So state would be, or intermediate state would be this. So I think I have something. And maximum. And we need to get a maximum value. How that maximum will be defined, that's a big reveal. If I have a bunch of numbers, knapsack, I think I don't even remember what this, I know there is a problem, very common one, knapsack, but So we have val and w, with each element represents the value and the weight of an item respectively. You are given an integer, w representing the maximum capacity of knapsack. So we are given two arrays. Each element represents the value and weight in the item respectively. So value is this, okay. Value is max and this doesn't go up. Okay. Oh, got it. I think that makes sense. We can use it here. Yeah, if we sort it. Yeah, if we sort it, then it would be actually, yeah. So nums, if we sort it, on log n, start from the back, start from here, right? Let's say if this is x and this is x and this is x minus 1, right? If we take the x route, we remove this x1 and then take this. But if we take the x minus 1 route, we remove these two. Let's say if this is x minus 2, we remove these two and then take this route and see the maximum of these two. So get max from self nums uh, let's see if this will work this time. Max, then we have actually we can create a hash map too, right? H map to make it faster, as this is sorted. How many times a number has occurred in it? So I actually forgot about it too. I have to calculate, bro. I reached only 50. I have the numbers. I have to like calculate all. I will do it over like tomorrow. I have no stream in the evening because I will be working. But probably then I will be able to get that in the middle of the day. Don't worry. By the end of this week, you will have it. Don't worry. You will have an answer. Nah. Thank you for reminding though. No. Hmap num is not none. Then we get hmap uh, copy it. that copy works? That's how it works, right? Okay, cool. Copy it. Nums copy. Num. Hold up. I want to get, is there a way to create occurrences? A better way? Range this, I'm going. Don't need to remove this. Num. I don't need this. I don't need this. So I will have every single value and number of times it has occurred. Okay, I have this hedge map now. And get the maximum if I am sending this and this hash map. Maximum of, let's say I removed num, so maximum of hmap of num plus no. So okay, so what I'm thinking, I'll explain to you guys. Let's say I have this, right? I have this, right? What I'm trying to do is first create a hash map that will store like, okay, total value of 2 would be like total 4 points you will get if you remove 2. With 3 you will get 9 points. 4 you will get 4 points, right? You get that hash map. Now I will create a new nums, which I think with the hash map values I will have that. So it will be, yeah. Everybody liked that tweaking thing as long as the Twitch tweaking thing was going on, I guess. Amazon Among Us tweaking thing. 2, 3, 4, right? Gets this. Now what I can do is I will go to this one and this one if it is available. See what is the maximum if I have 2 and this array, then what is the maximum if I have 3 and remove this part and this part. Okay. First I have to check if this will not need it. Now get me max, get max, let's say, in nums and hash map. So hmap. Now I have this, right? I have a numbers array. Oh, actually get me hmap dot keys. So I have an array if zero, if we haven't reached the end of the length or the array, we take the first number, uh, num0. How many points we get from that? We get 4 points. So with, let's say, in case of I with 0, number of points we get is num0. Oh, nice. Sounds good, man. How is that going for you, Ashish? Copy this and nice, bro. That's good. What's the direct method to remove element from value? Okay, good. I'll go first and second. First case, or in the first value, get max, remove -1, get max. I'm on to something. I don't know if I'm cooking almost like really good Indian dish. I'm cooking samosa or I'm cooking cereal. I don't know, but I'm cooking. That's for sure. Happens, man. Happens, bro. Happens. Happens. A mobile dating app. Don't use it. It's worthless. You remove these two so that you took one. Go for it, mate. Go for it. Nums1 Nah, I think that's just you coming out of your closet, bro. But I'm happy to help you come out of your closet. Don't worry, bro. I understand what you're thinking. Don't worry. Don't worry. We won't tell anyone. You're coming out of closet, it's okay. I understand. Don't worry. Nah, nah, nah. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry. It's our secret. Don't worry. Nobody will know. Don't worry, bro. Nobody has to know. Don't you worry, mate. Don't you worry. Why this is running? Mm, But tell me why this might not be running. Print hmap. Uh, why you are hashing it? Yeah, that will work. Well, I don't understand what now. That one is fixed, so this should be a list. Unhashable. Okay, interesting. That is okay. Like that can be figured out, right? Like just plus equals this. Not thinking about that. Really? Reported, bro. This does that. So list. It gives a list. What I want nums. Yep. That's exactly how my day goes. Dude, but it's like a leak is leak though. Like, all I'm saying is leak is leak. You don't think about that way. No. Yo, what I'm doing wrong here? Or maybe I removed this. Oh, that's why. Okay, remove X is not in the list. How to fix this one? I thought that should already be done. Yeah, I got it. With cache, I need like the function to be hashable, or like the values inside to be hashable. My code is like going to be epic level bad. I need a way if okay. Fuck this way. Alone Island, long time no see, mate. How you doing? Yes, long day indeed. I want to go to bed very fast. I think I have a better way now. Long time no see, bro. You had some good biryani today? Ate good? I'm using StreamerBot. I have to learn how to use it more. I've been just so busy with work and like other things that I'm not getting a chance to play with these tools more and like learn about them. Honestly, I have like I've been like so much. I had so much work. I like had a bad posture one day, yesterday basically, and like have to put some heat pads on to give my muscles some relaxing. Need to do that, bro. I hate this. Oh, nice. Dude, I try to, man. Like sometimes I'm just involved in work so much that I just forget everything. So this is not working. Time limit exceeded. Why? Sort this H map. Num. If it is, we get the H map list. Okay. If we are taking the first number, right? Let's say the first one. If these are available, remove them and this. Nah, dude. That would be kaleji. Okay, let's see what we get if we reach here, here, here. That was funny though. That was funny. 2, 3, 4, yes. My weight? I have no clue, bro. Probably 200 pounds something. May around 95 to 100 kg, that's for sure. I'm a big boy. Need to make this like this for a sec. 100 kg, 100 kg. 95 to 100 kg. Okay, I have only 5-10 minutes left. Let's try to complete this quick. Oh, I get it now. Dude, I'm 6 feet tall and I'm actually very like have some mass. Like I can actually like yeah, I used to be in basketball in the main like in the center. I used to hit. I have to have a big weight for that, right? Num 0 nums second dot remove. Oh wow, 175. That's good, man. Yes, please, Alone Island, please. Can you send it in Discord to me because I think it will get blocked on Twitch anyways. Things get blocked on Twitch. All the links and everything. Sounds good. Thank you, boss. Okay, what I was doing second, remove nums one. Let's see. Beautiful. Let's see if I can get this. Output limit exceeded, so we don't want to do anything. Time limit exceeded. You guys started doing this. Okay. Yeah, just DM me. DM me. Okay, my idea is let's say if I sort an array and I just have everything numbered, I just have to go every element once. If I take this one, don't have to go to this, right? That's taken care of. Okay. I think I know what to do, where I'm going wrong. So I have to create another. How was it last time? Is that Python code? DP. I don't need this because now I will use DP. I was going all the possible values. So if nums first in several.dp first max is this, equal to this. Ditto here. Uh, convert it into tuple. Okay. Sent. I have some text that I made myself to streamer bot. Can be used for alerts, right? Okay. Thank you so much, bro. You are close, G. Thank you, bro. Uh, tuple. Tuple this. Tuple. I used to call it tuple at one point. I was like, I'm not calling it tuple properly. I don't want to. I do not care. Yeah, dude. I don't know why. I just was like, nah, I'm not calling it. Nice, dude. That's good though. Like, I wish I was like good at reading books, man. Thank you so much. Thank you, Panda. Cheers. Have a good night. Peace, peace, peace. Panda, I think, wasn't paying attention that we are doing coding, not hacking. Yeah. Yep, that's what I thought with the book thing you said. I was like, yeah, Panda is not paying attention. It's just fine. Like, if it's good you're reading book, and if you're still in the background, that gives me R, so I'm happy with that. I'll take it. I don't know much about streaming setups and stuff, but I can help you as much as don't. Thank you so much, boss. Oh, I had no idea. That'll be good. Sounds good, mate. Have a good one. Bye. Have a good night, Panda. Peace out. Peace out. So we are here. Length is not this, so here nums is nothing left. Second max is 0. First max is 4. Dude, if that gets you that, go for it, mate. Whichever gets you to a job in a stable life, go get it. Yeah, get the bag, that's for sure. Thank you so much, Panda. Oh, Nums one. Wait, I think I have to. uh, If this one is equal to this, Nums one, Nums one, and then stuff. Okay, cool. Let's see now. Okay, finally. Beats 5%, not a good thing, but at least we get it done. Now let's see if we can make things better. It's such a mess. Oh, dude, yes, yes. IT is going to be like really changed within 1 year. That's, I promise you one thing, the tech world, coding and everything will be changed big time. I can see it personally. Like, you really need to be the master of your craft and you need to be able to use AI to a level it's like crazy. And like have some really like the IT is not going to be same at all anymore. Oh, because of 10,000 10 to the power 4 and that's why you are doing it? Okay, maybe, yeah. I see what you're trying to do, like a different approach. We are going from like that way. You want to, instead of like going from, I'm going from top to bottom, you are saying, hey, I'll take this number, this versus this, which one, right? And then you keep filling and you say, okay, by this time, whatever is the maximum. You are doing the opposite direction, basically, right? You are doing top to bottom, right, Wrench? Yeah, I do that. Okay. Oh, you are taking care of this value. Okay, 1 second. This. And num's length can be this. Okay. Oh, you don't even use hash map. That's good. Oh, what's happened? Hey, thank you so much for the raid, boss. Thank you. Howling Phantoms underscore just. That's awesome. Thank you so much, boss. Chandu, what's up, bro? Long time no see, Chandu. Let's see. Thank you so much for follow, boss. Ooh, nice. Hey, hey, let's watch some L'Oreal ads. Yo, Wrench, Wrench, this is your type of stream, man. Dude, that's so hilarious. Howdy, boss. Thank you so much. My follow too. That's hilarious, though. You guys should clip some stuff too. This is the first thing I see. Bro, happens to me every time. Like, I'll show you this. I'll show you something, boss. You see, this guy wants me to create. He's going to create a freaking grinder profile for me today. And he's like, hey, you want the D? You want the D? Where's that freaking message? Where's that grinder? Freaking thing. I don't know where it is. But this motherfucker wants me to have that. Yeah, dude, I understand, bro. Yep. This is unemployed final boss. Is there control F in this? I don't think so. There's control F. Let me see if I do pop-up chat here. Yep, I'm gonna make a fake grinder account for CH. Me. Gonna do ID theft. I know you love you. You see the word he says so he doesn't get censored. I knew it was from the start. These people supported your ass so much. This I do like in the how it works, right? For me, I have changed recently. So actually I used to do in the morning, Monday to Friday. I will do like hack. Right now I'm doing hack the box for CTF and stuff. And I live in Canada time right now. It's 1 a.m. almost. In the evening from Monday to Thursday, I do LeetCode. And on Saturday morning, we started recently DevOps series where I share like how to work on cloud, doing things, a lot of those things. And we are here actually. I just need to see. We got 72 now. Yeah. This is how things have been. A bit up and down. But yeah, there. AWS, yes, indeed, AWS, man. AWS is like my favorite. I just could not see myself doing anything else other than AWS. You can look here. Everything is free on my channel. Introduction to AWS. I made some hacker music too recently with like we guys did that with AI. Let me share that music with you guys. I should let that out, right? I should like release that.
In the wires, we're the ghost. Ego's king, we rule the host. Masks on screens, we wear them proud. Silent hands inside the cloud. Flicker in the firewall glow. Name in red on a watch list row. Every trace that they think they own, we erase, turn it all to smoke. Hack the world, that's the dream. Pull the thread of the global seam. One small key, whole sky screams.
Right.
Hack the world, the final scheme. Hack the world, feel it bend. Every closed gate starts to rend. From the core to the crack machine. Hack the world, the final scheme.
I should release this music actually. I'll release this music this weekend. I'll try to create some animated video of it.
Wish the system break the code. Watch the virus overload. Black hood up, eyes run cold. Turn the silver into mold. 10 fake memes on a single wire. One small spark, whole grid on fire. Who owns what when the locks all fail? Who holds power when we lift the veil? Heartbeat sync with the scroll, cursor dancing on the soul. All their walls built tall and proud, we just walk straight through the crowd. Hack the world, that's the dream. Pull the thread of the global scene. One small key, whole sky screams. Hack the world, the final scheme. Hack the world, feel it bend. Every closed gate starts to rend. From the core to the cracked machine. Hack the world, the final scheme. Are you in or out tonight? Ride the edge or run from sight. When the curtain tears in two, will the ghost look back at you? Hack the world, that's the dream. Pull the thread of the global scene. One small key, whole sky screams. Hack the world, the final scheme. Hack the world, feel it bend. Every closed gate starts to rend. From the core to the cracked machine. Hack the world, the final scheme.
How is it? I loved, like, we did that all online, like with the within like 2.5 hours, 3 hours. That was like we just do crazy things on this stream. I don't know what things we have done. But yeah, this is my channel too. If you guys like, there's all the videos are here. Dude, this is not, this is top G. This is top G level stuff. Bridge, top G level stuff. But what about you? What you do? You also do lead codes and stuff? I see this one is the lead code one. I need the D. Life is a graph if you think about. Oh, that's actually a quick lead code tonight. Nice. Nice, bro. That's awesome. That's awesome. Love that. Love that. You also use the OG. Oh, nice. That's awesome. What are you developing with C++? Dude, that would be fun. C++ is a good one to look into. OMG new Harry Styles. Dude, that's awesome. Oh, wow. Cool. Yo, so your schedule, do you have? I don't have my schedule posted, but oh, that's good. Nice, nice. Okay. Oh, nice. That's awesome, bro. It's crazy. DB engine, it is hard, man. That's for sure. In C++, big thing. That's amazing. Yeah, dude, it happens, man. Like for me too, like technically I should have been like sleep by now, but I got late. I had like some neck issue going on from last couple of days, so I know the schedule, staying on schedule is hard, especially if you like have other things in life, right? If streaming is not your full job. Dude, I love the mustache though. I like it. Love the mustache. Nice, nice. Nice, bro. Myself. Nice. Dude, I will never look good in the mustache, so that's why I probably like, yeah, I will try something different one day. But yeah. The back issue was also there. Yes, sir. Wrench. You know that. That's awesome, bro. Nice to meet you though. It's fun. Do you have a YouTube? Oh, yeah. It's hard though. It's hard to maintain things like this. Women will never understand the things men go through. Nope, you don't. Dude, come on it. It's actually great. I don't know if you use OBS, but like with this, right? There is something called ATM multi-stream. AITUM multi-stream is great because like all the work you do, right, technically stays forever on YouTube. No matter how many things you have done, so you can go back forever and ever and ever and ever. There's a lot of videos I've done. 500 videos. I think half, take that half. No, it's great. Like majority, if you see, right, majority of the guys I have, a lot of them are on YouTube. From YouTube, I get because in some places, like for example, for me, Twitch. When I was in India, I never heard of Twitch. I heard of Twitch first time when I came to Canada. So a lot of like different places, you will see a different platform more popular than the other one. That's why, like, it just give it a shot, right? And it's there is nothing hard in it. It's not that hard. Yeah, yeah. Oh, dang. Pausing, pausing, pausing. Let me know when the ad is good. Oh, I'll post a Discord too. Actually. It's almost 1 a.m. I have to actually go to bed soon. Okay. Should be good? Are you guys good? You guys back? Howdy, howdy, howdy. How's the YouTube going? You guys can hear me on YouTube, alright? Okay, cool. But yeah, I think that's okay, nice, nice. Yeah, dude, that's awesome. Like we yeah, use that. It's good. Because YouTube, at least you will have all the videos. So if anytime you have to look back at your work, especially if you're doing the DB engine, would be helpful. Yeah. This is good. I will join you one day soon. It'll be nice. What is this? Oh wow. 100-hour stream. That's crazy. Making Wolfenstein. Yep, yep. Yep, yep. No, that's the biggest reason for me to for using YouTube. I was like, you know what? I'll just store everything for free storage for me, pretty much. But yeah, if you want, like, I've shared the Discord link. Let's chat sometime soon. That'll be fun. We should do something together. It's awesome. But yeah, yeah. That's all I had. We completed one stuff. Whatever the problem was, delete and earn. Yeah. But thank you so much for joining, boss. Thank you so much, and everyone. Please go follow my boy here, Howling Fantoads, right? And don't forget to share, like, share, subscribe his content and also mine. Yeah. Thank you so much, boss. Thank you so much. And oh, also one thing I will show you just for more fun, given we are here already. 2 days ago or one day ago, I was given um Ghost. Yes, almost ending, boss. Sorry, it's 1 a.m. But I actually wanted to share this video. This was based on the promise I made with everyone that if we reach certain subscribers, I will jump in snow. Jumping in snow as promised. Here's the video. Go enjoy. I don't know if you guys saw it. I think this is where my neck started to hurt after that. When I went down the hill stupidly. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this one. Well, yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Hooligan, my man, thank you so much. Ghost, thank you for joining, man. Wrench, Unknown, everyone, thank you so much. Panda, thank you, thank you, thank you. Um, yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or any help you need, or if you want me to do any particular type of content. And we'll chat more with our new friend. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ashish. And let me just raid somebody too. I like raiding. It's fun. It's so much fun. Yeah, I'll do that on the weekend too. I'll do that on the weekend. Temple. Yo. No, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Which one you guys want me to do? Who you want me to raid? So we have 24/7 Terry Davis, Temple OS, VODs and more. We are making Wolfenstein using a camera in your weapon. Course.js. Some low-fee custom graphics, streaming every day until I make 100k subs. Oh wow. Dude, 100k subs will be such a big bag. Don't watch this. Mobile developer co-working. Mobile dev co-working. What is this about? Oh, his setup is sexy. His setup is sexy.
Yeah, I don't have Linux. Oh, I have. By the way, I'm using Arc on my.
Oh, he's an
Steam
Arc
Deck.
user. Arc user, my man. Uh, let's see more. It's good to see what people are doing. Anybody doing hacking? Would like to see some hacking. I do. I like watching it. I've watched very hardly. I watch movies, but yeah, I like horror movies. There's nothing good here. I'm thinking maybe hacking. Same category. Am I following the person? Nobody's here who I'm following. Okay, let's get the Wolfenstein. Let's see.
Mad at me here. Okay, yeah. So I do have to set up LFS for it. Boo.
Hmm, I don't know what to do, man. Anybody have any idea who should I like pick? Any guys? Anybody? Uh, I do. I try to go as much as possible. But right, last 2 weeks were terrible. Before that, I was pretty good. But I went on Sunday. I went on Monday too. Yesterday, not today. I should have gone, but I didn't. I don't know who should you want to go for, boss. Anybody you prefer? Nobody's doing something like I would watch right now. And it's not in English. Then if it is like something looks cool but like not in English. Okay, you know what? Let's go for this one.
Anyway,
Let's go for this. Okay, thank you so much, lads. Hope you guys have a great one. Let's rate this and yeah, GG's.
yeah, Minecraft. That is.
I will, Ashish. I will.
And just think, he had to fight. He's fighting the system. It's a one-man battle. The Illuminati, the CIA did not want Minecraft. I guarantee you. They were opposed. They don't want educated people. They want as stupid a cattle as they can. I don't know why they get their jollies out of it. Herding cattle. Anyway, so. Oh, hold on a second here. I remember.
He's into
So there's
what?
So the whole world is centered on me, pretty much, when you're the center of God's creation.
It is. It is true.
What do we got here? So you get these people talking about I made my own compiler. There is no linker. You have no reason to make binary ahead of. He's talking about
Oh, it is a VOD. I'm dumb. It was a VOD. Okay, never mind. All good. Thank you so much, lads. I'll close this now. This is good to go. Alrighty. So this is the song you guys have been waiting for. Have a good one. Cheers. See ya. This was your favorite censored hacker. Signing off with a big bye.
In the wires, we're the ghost. Egos king, we rule the host. Masks on screens, we wear them proud. Silent hands inside the cloud. Flicker in the firewall glow. Name in red on a watch list row. Every trace that they think they own.